Hello. You've really got me waiting, okay? Curly tail, stop.
Choice of location बढ़िया है. Pali Hill.
Manish has his Diwali party. You could see his house is just there. Tyra Ji and Dilip Ji's bungalow, which is right here. Sanju is right opposite. Down the road is Ranbir and Alia.
Did you ever bump into them? No,
I don't think anybody really walks around.
So what is this?
This is a horrible tasting jeera pani. The salad is almost ready. Beetroot, carpaccio. Actually, इन्होंने बनाया है. Orange lemon dressing है. Ta-da!
ये है garlic chicken, edamame chicken with truffle mushroom sauce.
I can't wait to try घर का खाना. But all of this is like restaurant style खाना, but at home.
All thanks to Vinod, seriously. मतलब he spoils me.
We all need a cook like Vinod at our home. To be selected after getting married is also new. ऐसा होता नहीं है.
Almost 7 years का मैंने break लिया and उसके बाद I started working again.
क्यों लिया आपने इतना लंबा break?
I changed my phone number actually, so then I stopped getting calls.
So that was easier वरना मना करना और जानना that you're getting some work and
Yeah, it was easier.
it's also scary.
It's a little scary. एक होता है ना एक self actualization. You are so much smaller than that self image. It does get lonely sometimes, to be honest.
आज की जो हमारी गेस्ट है वो है देसी बॉयज की ओजी चॉइस. नाउ you've always seen her in glam mode, पर आज हम इन्हें मिलेंगे at her Mumbai home in a relaxed mode. Now I can't wait for some घर का खाना and ढेर सारी बातें on this episode of Sunday Brunch with Chitrangada Singh. Let's go.
Hello, I have been waiting for you.
Thank you so much. I can smell camphor the minute I enter. Is there a reason why?
I just feel like it just changes the energy of the place. So when I wake up in the morning, maybe it's like a childhood thing that, I don't know, it just cleanses you somehow. I just feel very,
It's really
I don't
nice.
know.
I can tell. And जब भी मैं camphor smell करूँगी मुझे आपके घर की याद आएगी.
Yes, thank you. As long as you're not thinking of like a mandir or something.
नहीं, in fact, I can think of Ladakh to be honest.
Really?
Yeah,
Oh yeah.
yeah.
Yes.
Because
yes,
there's lack of
yes.
oxygen और वहाँ पर हमेशा कपूर जो होता है
I
वो
know.
smell करना होता है.
In
तो-
fact, when we were shooting for Galwan and we were in Leh, everybody was given this chotu sa potli,
Yes.
and everybody was at it because it really helped.
Firstly, I want to know about this painting. Cute little dog.
I'm a huge dog lover, and
Okay.
this I picked up in Thailand.
है यहाँ पर dogs.
Yeah, nahi, because the house is a little tight here in Bombay, but the Delhi house we have 3, and I've always had dogs in my life, like
Wow.
always. When I'm big enough star and I have a huge bungalow.
You already are a big enough star, and I love
Yeah.
your house. It's
Oh,
so
thank
beautiful.
you.
I mean,
Thank
especially the colors, the paintings around, and I can tell very tastefully done. So यहाँ पर मतलब दिल्ली वाइब आ रही है आपके घर में.
You're not the first one who said this. कितने लोग यहाँ पर आए हैं, they're like, this doesn't feel like a Bombay house at all.
Absolutely.
It's got this whole very army Delhi mix kind of a vibe.
Absolutely.
And you should come to my Delhi house.
100%. Whenever you call me, I'm ready. You
Yeah,
know, my
you
bag
should-
is always ready,
Oh my
and
God.
my crew is always ready
Please
to show
do,
up.
and I'd love you to meet my 3 dogs.
आर्ट जेन्युइनली बहुत सारा बहुत खूबसूरत है, तो आप
Thank
जब भी जहाँ जाते हो हमेशा आप वहाँ से कलेक्ट करते रहते
do,
हो.
I do.
और आप खुद भी इंटरेस्ट रखते हो इन एनी फॉर्म
जी,
ऑफ
मैं खुद थोड़ा बहुत चारकोल पेंटिंग करती हूँ और मतलब इतना अच्छा नहीं जो यहाँ लगा है, वो अंदर रखा हुआ है. I haven't put that up because it's not so good. But I love art. मुझे बहुत पसंद है. This is done with a pen. It's actually an ink pen, but a really, really like a micro pen.
कहाँ से लिया ये आपने?
KL, Kuala
Kuala
Lumpur.
Lumpur.
Yes.
और ये वाला काफी एब्स्ट्रैक्ट सा.
ये तो ऐसे, this is my work.
This is yours?
This is my work. This is just abstract stuff.
Oh, by the way, do I notice a face here?
There is a face here.
Oh,
yes.
right.
But it's like हाथ भी लगे हैं, सब कुछ हुआ है इसके अंदर. Like this is all hand, this is hand in the end. Like just made eyes and.
Beautiful.
This is a bit of a hot mess.
No, but it's really nice. Does it
Yeah.
describe you? Hot,
Oh my
but a
God.
mess.
I don't know, but I think it's. I don't know. No, it's just a state of mind. I think. This I picked up in Paris. Oh wow, this
Yeah.
I picked up. Actually, you know what? I went to a really big store. I went to the washroom.
Okay.
They had it up there because there was very selective art being sold.
Right.
So I said, this piece I want. So this has come out of a washroom actually.
What about the view there?
Actually, you know, when I came here, this view was everything because I was like, at least I get to see trees in the morning. And I love bougainvilleas. And the first thing I saw was यहाँ पे इतने सारे bougainvilleas थे. And यहाँ पे एक ये इमली का पेड़ था जिस पे बहुत सारी इमली लगी थी. And that's why I was like, I really want this.
Oh, ये
So-
fancy car ये
Oh my
आपकी है?
God, no.
नहीं?
Those are my rich neighbors. Very rich neighbors. One or two are not here right now, but yeah, there are a lot of fancy cars here.
But choice of location बढ़िया है. Pali Hill.
And so quiet कि
Yeah.
सवेरे उठ के actually I can hear the birds, you know.
So have you like properly shifted to Mumbai या आप दिल्ली में या बीच में shuffle करते रहते हो दोनों के बीच में?
I have been living here for the last what, 13 years now, yeah. No, actually 14 years. I do live between cities. मतलब
Yeah.
दिल्ली भी जाती हूँ, यहाँ भी रहती हूँ, लेकिन ऐसा नहीं है कि मैं यहाँ नहीं हूँ, you know. A lot of people think कि तुम यहाँ हो अभी कि वापस जा रही हो कि यहाँ पे तुम्हारा घर है. Of course, please, I live in Bombay for the last 14 years.
और हमेशा से इसी घर में और have you like
नहीं,
moved
नहीं, I've
places
moved,
and
of
all?
course I've moved places. This is not the place that I've been. I was in Andheri before this.
तो कहाँ ज़्यादा अच्छा लगा, अंधेरी या बैंड्रा?
Actually, Bandra.
हाँ.
I think you know everybody used to keep telling me कि move here, move this side. I'm like नहीं यार क्या फर्क पड़ता है घर घर होता है you know कहीं भी हो. But I think Bandra is Bandra.
नहीं घर घर वही होता है पर बैंड्रा का real estate price is quite high.
That come in of course. Besides that.
And this neighborhood, I think, is full of so many other Bollywood actors, actresses living here.
When Manish has his Diwali party, which you could see his house is just there.
Really?
तो ये पूरा lane like jam रहता है.
और कौन से neighbors हैं आपके यहाँ आसपास?
There is Saira ji and Dilip ji's bungalow, which is right here. Sanju is right opposite. Because this is Nargis Dutt Road. This
Right.
is where, I mean, this is the Nargis Dutt Road. I think just down the road is Ranbir and Alia. So
Yeah.
there's a lot of people here.
Did
There's-
you ever bump into them?
Not them. I
Not
don't
them.
think anybody really walks around.
मुंबई ज़्यादा अच्छा लग रहा है या दिल्ली अभी भी याद आता है?
दिल्ली तो हमेशा याद आता है मतलब आई एम अ दिल्ली गर्ल
Okay.
लेकिन बॉम्बे पता नहीं आई थिंक धीरे धीरे जहाँ पे आप काम करते हो वेयर यू गेट दिस सॉर्ट ऑफ यू नो आई थिंक सेटिस्फैक्शन वो आपका धीरे धीरे घर बनने लगता है नहीं
और क्या फ़र्क है दिल्ली के लोगों और मुंबई के लोगों में?
टू बी ऑनेस्ट मुझे बॉम्बे के लोग ज़्यादा पसंद है
अच्छा.
आई लाइक देयर मोर चिल एंड कुछ ये नहीं है कि अच्छा इतना ड्रेसअप होकर जाना है बट दिल्ली पीपल रियली मेक एन एफर्ट टू ड्रेस अप सो वो
Yeah.
भी एक्चुअली बहुत अच्छी चीज़ है बट नॉट ऑल द टाइम लाइक यू
Yeah.
डोंट वांट टू ड्रेस अप ऑल द टाइम लाइक आई वुड वांट टू गो आउट easy you know
Yeah.
लेकिन वहाँ पे full you got to really like look the part and like मतलब लोग बहुत effort लगाते हैं dress up होने में अगर आप घर जाओगे आपका इतना oh that's my जीरा
Thank
पानी
you. Oh,
so now we can do cheers I
thank
hope you like it
Cheers. Yeah. So what is this? Jeera pani.
this is a horrible tasting jeera pani
Okay, but will it make me as hot as you? Then I don't mind having
I
jeera
know.
pani.
but it'll give you good skin
Okay. पर बनता कैसे है ये exactly?
कुछ नहीं सिर्फ जीरा उबालना है आपको उसको धीमी आंच पे रखकर मतलब धीरे धीरे जब कलर चेंज हो जाए एज यू कैन सी पानी
Right.
का कलर चेंज हो गया एंड जस्ट डैश ऑफ नींबू इन दैट एंड दैट्स इट
और आप ये रोज सुबह लेते हैं या पूरा दिन लेते हैं?
मैं
और
एक्चुअली आई स्टार्ट इन द मॉर्निंग विद अजवाइन पानी एंड जीरा ये जो
Okay.
उसको पहले रात को भिगो के रख देते हैं उसके बाद नेक्स्ट डे मॉर्निंग उसको बॉईल करके उसके अंदर थोड़ा सा नींबू डाल के दैट्स द फर्स्ट थिंग यू हैव along with garam pani because I think it's really worked I want to share this क्योंकि
Yeah.
ये मुझे लगता है कि it's like वो रामबाण होता है ना because my hair got better my skin my nails everything मतलब मैं पिछले करीब 2 साल से तो मैं definitely बहुत regular I've been with this so you have taste मत पूछना कैसा है,
ठीक
मतलब नाक बंद करके just do this, okay? So it's very high in vitamin C. You will stop falling sick.
Right.
I actually started having, क्योंकि दिल्ली में जब भी जाती थी मेरा हमेशा like I would get into this throat and ear infection would happen. I'd keep falling sick.
Right.
तो मैं इतना antibiotics ले रही थी. Then somebody suggested this. Believe you me, it just stopped happening. It's
कितने
what
टाइम
you
में इफेक्ट दिखेगा इसका?
I don't know. Depends.
Guys, I'll see you after 1 month.
Yeah, but
मेरी स्किन भी ऐसे ही इनकी तरह ग्लो
yeah,
करेगी.
you'll have sparkle. Sparkle filter will come.
Amazing.
Try it. Matlab, at your own risk.
Yeah, I'm definitely going to try.
Do that.
This is good. This isn't bad.
It's not bad.
Yeah, it's quite nice
ना?
actually. Yeah.
Even through winters and all, जब गला वाला खराब होता है and all that, this is really nice.
उठते कितने बजे हो आप?
I'm an early riser. सवेरे मतलब ये बहुत ही पुरानी बहुत ख़राब आदत है, but like 5:36 types is when I would wake up. अगर आप 8 बजे उठते थे तो my father used to be like कि आधा दिन निकल गया types, you know.
Really?
It used to be a bit like that, yeah. Army man, you know, सवेरे जाओ, games, sports, ये वो. So yeah, there's always this guilt if I don't wake up early. I just feel so guilty. I prefer to work out empty stomach, मतलब without the breakfast. So जो भी थोड़ा बहुत fruits and something, and then I would go and work out, hour and a half. But breakfast around 11 o'clock.
Okay.
And then I do maybe a soup and a salad in the afternoon, and very light soup. Clear soups, and then dinners are about 6:37, 7:30 max, and then try and like that's it. Try and stay up after 9 o'clock, and it's tough, especially with workouts and if you've been out the whole day. Yeah, it's tough.
हाँ,
yeah.
तो 10 बजे? 9-10?
Usually.
Okay.
10-10:30 में मतलब लाइट बंद हो जाती है. मेरी लाइट ऑफ हो जाती है.
आपकी सारी फैमिली दिल्ली में ही है? दिल्ली या नॉर्थ साइड में?
हाँ, सब उधर
यहाँ पे कोई रिश्तेदार नहीं है
No
आपके?
one,
So
no one.
alone in Mumbai city,
Yeah.
कैसा लगता है आपको?
It does get lonely sometimes, to be honest. मतलब कभी-कभी आपके साथ like you've had a great day or you've had a bad day. So you come back home and you wish that there was family, you know. Of course, I think and most of the people that I speak to जो बाहर से आए हैं and जो यहाँ रहते हैं, उनको हमेशा either you have friends too, you know. But sometimes friends are busy and you know that's the nature of the job. Everyone's busy. क्या होता है कि बाहर से लोगों को समझ नहीं आता इतना कि what industry pressure is. तो अगर आप वापस जाके older friends को अगर आप बताओ who don't understand, it's a little bit थोड़ा सा मुश्किल हो जाता है for them to
उनके लिए तो
understand.
प्रॉब्लम्स ही अलग होंगी ना, ये क्या
Very
है?
different.
What is she cribbing about?
But you're living a great life. Like, what are you cribbing about? I'm like, actually, that's a good reality check. You're right. But वो भी ज़रूरी है.
बिल्कुल.
एक और पर्सपेक्टिव मिलता है आपको अपनी ज़िंदगी. Like, तो हम अपने बबल में बैठ के भी feel like, oh God, my life is this and that. But it's good life.
But currently your life is going great. Congratulations on
Thank
रात
you.
अकेली है.
Thank you.
It's been trending on Netflix. What else is lined up? Is work keeping you really busy even in 2026?
We've almost finished shooting for a film called Battle of Galwan, and this is with Salman Khan. So it's my biggest film of my career, really. So that is what will come next year. अभी उसका थोड़ा सा काम बचा है.
और मेन्यू में क्या है आज?
ओह, खाने की बात तो हमने की नहीं अभी. मेन्यू में honestly I'm not much of a cook,
Okay.
but I make a good menu.
Oh, that's also a skill set, by the way.
है ना?
Absolutely.
I keep telling people that.
Yeah.
I said it's so important to have a good menu. मतलब बना तो कोई भी ले, पर क्या बनाना है?
कोई भी ले यार. अगर कुक छुट्टी पर चला जाए तो आप क्या बनाओगे अपने लिए?
Egg white scramble and toast.
Okay.
High protein, low carb,
Low effort.
low effort. Yeah, and with chai. Should I take you to the kitchen and show you?
Oh yeah, let's go.
Chale?
Yes.
Let's go. Okay. All right, the salad is almost ready.
कौन सा सैलेड है ये?
ये है बीटरूट कार्पाचियो और इसके अंदर मैं ऊपर से क्या डाला है ड्रेसिंग. एक्चुअली इन्होंने बनाया है.
अच्छा.
विनोद, हाँ.
Oil dressing.
ऑरेंज ड्रेसिंग, ऑरेंज लेमन ड्रेसिंग है.
Wow.
ये ऐसे हाथ से डाल दूँ? नहीं,
हाँ डाल दो.
थोड़ा
Yes,
स्पून
वो.
दे दो. Ta-da! I
Very
have
nice.
finished.
This is our lovely
Please collect
salad.
your plates.
Yes.
And we should go have our salad now.
This looks so good. क्या नाम है सैलेड का?
इसका है
चित्रांगदा स्पेशल.
my special, my favorite.
पर रोज अलग अलग सैलेड की रेसिपीज होती है आपकी.
नहीं, मतलब मेरे कुछ 4 हैं जो मेरे फेवरेट हैं, so those are the ones
And that's usually your lunch, everyday salad.
yeah, like this would be lunch with soup,
With
मतलब
soup.
anything, any soup.
So good.
Like it?
Amazing.
This can
I
be lunch.
especially love the dressing. I don't know what it is exactly, but it's so good.
Vinod will tell you. All time favorite is कढ़ी चावल.
वो दही कड़ी पकौड़ी
हाँ,
वाली,
वो
right?
जो मतलब नॉर्थ में जो बनती है.
Right.
And then simple dal चावल and अचार. The आम का अचार with that.
Yeah. That's your ultimate favorite.
It's the ultimate, मतलब soul food. This is fancy food. वो soul food है.
So then who makes like the best कड़ी चावल and all?
My mother. Dal, कढ़ी चावल. Like after I got married, I remember I used to keep calling her. इसकी रेसिपी बताओ, उसकी रेसिपी बताओ, because that's when you realize कि मतलब माँ के हाथ का खाना क्या होता है, you know, like how good it is.
I agree. In fact, मेरी भी जब शादी हुई थी, I had this diary. मैं उसमें लिखती रहती थी because I had this tendency of forgetting.
Yeah. Do you cook, by the way?
I used to, like immediately after getting married, I did cook. I used to cook dinners for very long, and then work got too busy, and then I stopped cooking.
Yeah. But I've never been a natural cook, तो मुझे like it used to be very difficult.
What did you want to do college के बाद? You wanted to get into modeling and or when how did this happen?
I started modeling क्योंकि थोड़ा pocket money चाहिए था. I didn't want to ask my father for money, and that's how modeling started. क्योंकि college में कुछ college fests में I was part of the college fashion show team, and वहाँ से like you realize that okay, you know, I am getting the attention, I am good at this. फिर किसी ने मुझे बताया अच्छा एक folio बना लो, portfolio. So I went, Malviya Nagar was the thing in Delhi back then, जहाँ पे सारे portfolios बनते थे, like it was the उसका गढ़ था वहाँ पे. So वहाँ जाके portfolio बनाया, and then you know after college you would do the rounds of the agencies. तब वैसे होता था कि आप अपने photos जाकर देते थे, and then phone numbers लिख के, then you would call back, and there used to be a pager. So pager में then you'll get a audition है इसका उसका, then you would go and give auditions. So वो सब वहाँ पे 3rd year तक शुरू. Like I had already started doing.
But all of this in Delhi only.
Delhi, only Delhi. I never stepped out of Delhi till I got my first audition for Hazaro.
Right.
That's when I came to Bombay.
आज तो काफी इलैबोरेट मील है. मैम तो सिर्फ सैलेड और सूप ही पीते हैं ना.
आज थोड़ा for you.
Thank you.
This is for you.
विनोद ने सोचा आज संडे ब्रंच पे विनोद का भी डेब्यू हो रहा है. He has to present the best food that he can
Yeah,
cook, right?
I know. Yes.
Chicken with truffle mushroom sauce.
Okay.
Truffle mushroom sauce. Edamame. अच्छा.
चित्रांगदा, आपके घर पे इतना फैंसी खाना बनता है, आप रेस्टोरेंट्स जाते हो या नहीं? You don't need to.
All thanks to Vinod, seriously. मतलब he spoils me. अगर मैं आपको इसकी presentation दिखाऊँ ना, this one time उसने बनाया chicken dish था सब कुछ, एक टमाटर अंदर से खाली, and उसके अंदर कैंडल थी. वो कैंडल and it was sitting right in the middle of पता नहीं कुछ beautiful सा उसके चारों तरफ बनाया था with just vegetables. And उसके चारों तरफ खाना था.
Wow.
And then that came and I'm like, oh my god. I was like, do I deserve this food? It is so good. Especially the presentation. Matlab, who cares?
We all need a cook like Vinod at our home.
I swear, matlab, he makes me feel so special. Usually he puts it on this,
Right.
but he's now serving it separately.
ये मुझे बिल्कुल भी घर का खाना नहीं. बहुत ही रेस्टोरेंट स्टाइल बट घर का खाना.
पूरा
So
घर
good.
का.
Thank you so
मतलब
much, Vinod.
sauce, everything.
Everything.
He makes his own mayonnaise. Truffle sauce खुद बनाते हैं. सब कुछ खुद बनाता है. Actually, he is the star of the
I know.
program. I am the wrong person.
विनोद, आइए आपके साथ एक फोटो लेंगे हम.
I'm telling you, Vinod, आओ इधर आओ, सच में.
Get me. I can have this also, to be honest.
Healthy.
literally everything. Look at my plate, all polished off.
I'm so happy.
So tell me, when you broke the news to your parents that you want to be an actor, you want to pursue, or when you got selected for Hazaaron Khwahishein, क्या था reaction? They were very happy about you doing this because that would also mean कि आपको मुंबई shift होना पड़ेगा, right?
I actually did that after I got married.
अच्छा.
I got that film after I got married. So, but yeah, I mean, I think it was for everybody a one-off. Even my head was like, हाँ ठीक है, एक करके वापस आ जाएंगे. It's not like I'm going to be an actor all my life.
Yeah.
Because I never thought of being an actor.
But also, honestly,
just-
to be selected after getting married is also new. ऐसा होता नहीं है. Most Bollywood actresses
Yeah.
are single.
Yeah.
Right? So, what do you
But वो film भी बहुत अलग थी ना. It was a very different film. And I don't think Sudhir, you know, the kind of director he is, he would think कि आप married हो नहीं हो.
हाँ.
It wasn't a typical song and dance. No?
Yeah.
It was a very character-driven kind of film. So,
Yeah.
so I think उस वजह से भी.
Wow. It's so good.
I think that's garlic chicken.
Yeah, it's really good. Getting your first film wasn't that difficult for you, right? He said that you didn't do that well in audition, but जो character उन्होंने लिखा था, that just suited you so well that he said that it was meant for you only.
Yeah. No, you're right because I
Yeah.
was giggling through the audition. And audition में you standing cold, आप non-actor हो और आपको ऐसे lines देते हैं, नहीं मुझे छोड़ दो and all. I started laughing because this is what we watch in films and you
Yeah.
know we just kind of spoof it all the time. I started laughing like ये इतना serious scene है and you know, but I'm like कुछ और करा लो please. And then Sudhir got really serious and then he himself stepped in to give me the line so that I had to react to it. And of course I gave a decent audition after that.
Tell me कितना मुश्किल था उसके बाद भी काम मिलते रहना. Did you continue going for auditions? या क्योंकि कई लोग बोलते हैं पहला मिलना फिर भी आसान है. Then to keep getting good work and good quality of work and
Yeah.
the hustle never really stops.
Hustle never stops. I think that's something, that's the nature of the job, seriously. आप चाहे, even if you're 60, you're hustling for a good, good part. I mean, for me, I left work right after that for almost 7 years. का मैंने break लिया and उसके बाद I started working again. तो honestly for me it was the opposite. काफ़ी आ रहे थे roles and I didn't take them.
क्यों लिया आपने इतना लंबा ब्रेक?
I was married and then I had certain family situations that I thought I should give priority to at that point. And then, different city and then it was just, no, I just wasn't being able to manage.
Yeah. It must be so hard when you're getting offers and to say no, right?
I know. I changed my phone number actually. So then I stopped getting calls. So they couldn't get in touch with me then. So that was kind of
So that was easier करना, मना करना और जानना that you're getting some work and
Yeah. It was easier. Yeah.
oh. So जब आप आए वापस, how was it?
Actually, पहले तो मैंने बिल्कुल miss नहीं किया, nothing at all. And then slowly with time, and my son was born. It was all beautiful. And then I realized that कहीं ना कहीं एक होता है ना एक self actualization की feeling कि भाई मैं I think of myself like I could be this. And then that self image, and you are so much smaller than that self image. So कहीं ना कहीं वो एक कमी महसूस होती थी कि where you get the satisfaction of just you, not as a mother or as a wife or वो सब अलग है. So yeah, that's why. And I was just sitting and thinking, ऐसा नहीं कि मैंने सोचा कि मैं बॉम्बे जाऊंगी अब. But I luckily got a call from Farhan Akhtar's office. Farhan's wanting to make a film and it's a period film and please come. And I was like, I was just sitting and thinking of this and it happened,
Wow.
That film didn't happen though, but at least I came back and then other offers started coming and I started to get back in touch with people.
I remember मेरी maternity leave पर मैं सिर्फ 6 महीने घर पर थी. And I remember जब मैंने काम resume किया था, my first drive from my home to my work when I'm driving on my own, I felt like it was the most liberating feeling of my life, of getting back. Because suddenly when you're a mom, you feel like that's it. This is all
This
your
is
life.
yeah.
And then when you're on your own, suddenly it feels like a rebirth of your own self.
Yeah.
Did you also experience like this after coming back to the set?
Absolutely. I mean, just going back to the van and, like you just become another person. There's a individuality hoti hai, that suddenly you start to feel like I am an individual other than being a mother and, which is beautiful. It's probably the best thing that's happened to me.
But it's also scary.
It's a little scary, but I still feel that, I think that's the most beautiful thing for me. being a mother is probably the best thing. It's better than, I mean, I'm not comparing, but actor, mother.
But ये industry भी काफी fickle है ना, like even हजारों ख्वाहिशें was with Shiny Ahuja, and we saw what happened and sudden disappearance completely, right?
Yeah.
You never know what's going to happen tomorrow, whether you will get work or you will not get. Did you also have those kind of thoughts, and even moments, forget thoughts, even moments like those?
Yeah, of
that
course.
there's no work and
Oh yeah, I've had a lot of those, no work in between, or I mean, no work नहीं, मतलब work है, but like no good work. The people that you want to work with. पर हाँ होता है, बिल्कुल होता है कि अच्छा काम, you know, जिन लोगों के साथ आप काम करना चाहते हो, वो नहीं आता है.
but also the fact that you always have to think about your financial stability. अगर आप अपने आप हैं, in fact not just in acting career, किसी भी career के लिए औरतों को I think financial stability होना जरूरी है.
Important, yes.
तो आप अपने काम के अलावा are you also investing somewhere? Do you rely on any other sources?
I actually invest in the market quite a bit, stocks and some daily trading. I am not so much into property क्योंकि मुझे समझ नहीं आता property. That property is very difficult to handle. I feel like that because you know very difficult to understand the property market कि कब बिक सकता है and इतना I have this feeling कि मतलब liquid होना चाहिए. With stocks and all like 48 hours I have my money.
Yeah.
But अगर ज़रूरत है if I want to sell property I don't know it
Buyer
can take
मिले ना
मिले 15 दिन लगे 1 महीना लगे डिस्ट्रेस सेल है तो फिर कुछ भी नहीं मिलेगा मतलब कम मिलेगा you know.
Right.
So I get very scared with all that.
Then how was it moving to Mumbai?
See that was scary.
Yeah.
Acting in the films wasn't scary. वो सब ठीक था. लेकिन moving to Mumbai क्योंकि big city यार मतलब it's so fast everything मतलब Delhi has a pace but Mumbai has मतलब 2x 3x you know. So that was a bit scary. लेकिन actually बहुत अच्छे लोग हैं बॉम्बे में. People are when you slowly get to know people. Just generally मतलब अगर आप किसी रेस्टोरेंट में भी जाके बैठो just you feel so safe you know. सबसे पहले तो being a woman and having done college in Delhi, I was suddenly like my God, look at the girls here. Look what they're wearing. So you know because it was just so surprising for me to see इतना you know comfort in your own country to have a city like this. That's the most beautiful thing. So I felt very safe.
Let me give you some food choices. क्या खाने में आपको ज़्यादा पसंद है? शाही टुकड़ा और गाजर का हलवा.
गाजर का हलवा.
छोले भटूरे और छोले कुलचे.
छोले भटूरे. एक मेरठ में है बिट्टू वाला छोले भटूरे. Oh God.
Yeah.
Oh my God. He used to be insane. So yeah, छोले भटूरे.
दिल्ली की पापड़ी चाट या मुंबई की पापड़ी चाट?
दिल्ली की पापड़ी चाट.
Yeah.
Always. पता नहीं क्यों. I don't know why, but Delhi chaat is very good.
I agree actually. Okay, गोलगप्पे या पानी पूरी?
गोलगप्पे.
दिल्ली का रोल या मुंबई का वड़ा पाव?
दिल्ली का रोल.
Maggie from canteen or momos from a street stall?
Maggie from canteen.
Okay.
We were huge on that in college. Maggie from canteen.
पोहा और avocado toast?
Avocado toast.
Dark chocolate और गुलाब जामुन?
Gulab jamun. Garam. But yeah, dark chocolate these days.
दाल चावल या रोटी सब्जी?
दाल चावल.
राजमा चावल और कड़ी चावल?
Oh God. कढ़ी चावल.
घर की बिरयानी या रेस्टोरेंट स्टाइल बिरयानी? अरे आपके घर में तो रेस्टोरेंट स्टाइल बिरयानी मिलती है.
घर की बिरयानी.
चिकन या मटन?
Mutton.
बटर चिकन और कढ़ाई चिकन?
Kadai chicken. I don't like butter.
माउंटेन्स और बीचेस?
Mountains.
सोलो ट्रैवल और ग्रुप ट्रैवल?
Group travel. Oh my God, I'll die solo.
Really? You've never gone on a solo
Never,
trip?
ever. I don't know how people do this.
Why not? I've done it so many times. And
Is
it's
it
so
good?
much fun. Yeah, it is.
Really?
Yeah, I love it.
But don't you feel like if you're seeing something beautiful, don't you want somebody to say like, wow, look at this?
No, I have my phone. I'll just record it and I'll share it with them.
But you'll share it, right?
I will.
Yeah.
But I'll share it on social media with everyone.
You always need somebody like, oh my God, look at this. Okay, I'm like that. I don't know. I
Okay.
feel, yes.
Lazy Sundays or productive Sundays?
If I've had a productive week, lazy Sunday. If it's been a terrible week, I better be working.
Do you always have this nice glam look even at home, or the minute you step in, you change into your pajamas and
Pajamas.
pajamas?
Huh? Or like cargos, like pants, like anything loose. Not pajamas. I don't like to be in pajamas too, actually.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, I have to wake up in the morning, go take a shower, change.
You can never have a lazy Sunday then.
No,
I mean,
matlab
Sunday means
lazy-
तो नहाना ही नहीं चाहिए पूरा दिन.
No. That is never. That kind of lazy will never happen. I have to get ready, change. पता नहीं, I just feel like I don't know, like not clean if I don't change or not ready. Again, ये ना कुछ childhood का वो problem है. I'm still carrying that trauma that my father's put me
Army
through.
life, I
I'm
tell
telling
you.
you, it is. You have to wake up, shower, change. You cannot be in your night suit through the day. मतलब हो ही नहीं सकता. It's not.
That's such a good habit also actually.
It's probably, yeah, but you know, it's a guilt thing now. मतलब even if I want to probably hang loose and be easy,
Yeah.
it's just करना है. It's just in my head.
But have you been able to pass on the same genes to your son as well?
Yeah, because
Okay.
he wants to be a sportsman and he's starting to
Oh.
play golf and
wow.
compete. So he wakes up at 5. I wake up at 6:30. So I'm the lazy mother now. And he's the boy who's, up early and doing. So yeah, no, thankfully I didn't have to teach him anything.
And if I'm not wrong, आपने diet और nutrition के बारे में भी पढ़ाई की है, right?
I wanted to be a dietitian, by the way. मैंने college में food and nutrition में major किया है. I am very qualified. but yeah, no, that's what I thought. मुझे ऐसा लगा कि मैं dietitian बनूंगी और I did home science in college. But you study everything. You study textiles. So मैंने कपड़े बनाए हैं, plackets बनाए हैं, मैंने नाइट सूट्स बनाए हैं, मैंने ब्लाउजेस बनाए हैं, ब्लाउजेस में डार्ट्स एंड दिस एंड दैट, मतलब सब कुछ किया है मैंने.
पर याद है अगर अभी हुक टूट जाए, बटन टूट जाए, आप सिल लोगे?
उतना तो मैं आराम से कर लूँगी.
अच्छा.
बट नाउ आई कैन टेल कि ये प्लैकेट सही नहीं है. That's what, like I can make a menu very well.
I know.
इसमें सोडियम ज़्यादा है. I can do all that because I studied.
You're a born leader. आपको
Leader,
managers वाली. You're not a doer, you're a manager.
Yeah. I'll tell you this is right, this is wrong. बस मेरा काम खत्म.
Let's see food और nutrition में अभी भी आपका knowledge intact है या नहीं है?
Wow.
Or whatever could be your suggestion with your personal experience.
I'm moving to my next main dish.
Oh yes, so will I actually.
Okay.
I'm going to ask some questions. You're going to tell me क्या सही है इसमें. लोग कहते हैं सनसेट के बाद फ्रूट्स नहीं खाने चाहिए. What are your thoughts on that?
True. Sugar and acid plus, you've already eaten stuff. So if you're going to put this over it, this will digest much faster and it'll just sit over the food that you've eaten. तो आपका जो खाना जिसको ज़्यादा टाइम लगेगा डाइजेस्ट होने में, उसके ऊपर दिस फूड इज सिटिंग जो ऑलरेडी डाइजेस्ट हो चुका है. So it gets more acidic because of that.
So when is the best time to have fruits?
Early in the morning, before 12 in the afternoon, तब तक खा के that's it. You shouldn't possibly be eating after that.
The desi ghee debate. घी से वजन बढ़ता है. So as a nutritionist, is ghee a villain or a superfood?
It's a superfood. It's the best thing.
आप भी खाना यूजुअली घर में घी से ही बनाते हैं
नहीं,
या? हाँ.
मतलब उसमें दाल में घी डालते हैं या वो तो हमने हमेशा डाला है, हम सब लोगों ने डाला है, राइट?
Right.
मदर्स वर डूइंग द राइट थिंग.
माइक्रोवेव में खाना गर्म करने से उसका न्यूट्रिशन बढ़ जाता है. Is that true or not?
I think it's true and it's also it's not good to use the microwave to reheat anything. जितना कम reheat करो उतना अच्छा है, because of हर बार जब thaw होता है, मतलब जो ठंडा होता है, उसके बाद जब आपको फ्रिज से निकाल के जब आप उसको थॉ करते हैं तो बैक्टीरिया स्टार्ट्स टू बिल्ड अप एंड इट इज़ नॉट गुड. स्पेशली मीट तो थॉ करना ही नहीं चाहिए, फर्स्ट टाइम में खाना चाहिए एज मच एज पॉसिबल.
ओके, एंड आई थिंक दैट्स अ वेरी यूजुअल प्रैक्टिस कि बल्क में लेकर फ्रीजर में रख देते हैं मीट.
Then you should make छोटा packets of it. Don't put the entire meat together.
Right.
उसके पहले से sections करके make small packets and put it inside and take that one packet out and cook it.
Drinking water while eating, I just did actually.
Not good. खाने से भी पहले भी नहीं पीना चाहिए जैसे,
Is it?
और खाने के बाद तो बिल्कुल भी नहीं पीना चाहिए.
पानी कब पीना चाहिए?
काफी टाइम लगा के
give a
खाने
gap.
के बाद तो बिल्कुल भी नहीं पीना चाहिए because it dilutes your digestive juices. So when they're trying to digest your food and you put water on top,
Yeah.
it's obviously diluted your juices. So
Right.
so digestion is slower.
रात को दही नहीं खानी चाहिए, उससे गला खराब होता है.
I don't think so. मैं हमेशा खाती हूँ
रात को ही.
दही एंड उसके अंदर शक्कर जो ब्राउन वाली होती है.
wow.
That's my favorite, मतलब low calorie
Dessert.
dessert. Yeah.
Brown bread, brown sugar are actually healthier than white bread or white sugar.
I mean brown bread is not healthy. उसमें कलर डाल के ब्राउन बनाया तो अगर actually में वो the healthiest is sourdough. bread is the healthiest, जो fermented रहती है. तभी idli is good for you because fermented है. Anything that is fermented is very good for your stomach. Sugar का ज़्यादा फर्क नहीं है.
What makes you happy?
I think a good trek in the mountains. So my son loves to go fishing, and his father, and even in our family. So these fishing trips, I'm not so much into fishing, but I love the trek. During COVID, we were staying around Tirthan, and we went Tirthan Valley.
Yeah.
Again, amazing cafes, amazing cafes around that whole stretch by the river and all that. Some insane properties we saw. So yeah, let's just go trekking with them the whole day.
And
It was the
what
most
gets you
beautiful thing.
irritated instantly?
Inefficiency
Okay.
and fake people.
Can you identify that?
Well, I mean, of course I can, but yeah, I mean, lately I've seen बाकी सब ठीक है. As long as you make an effort,
Yeah.
you're working hard, your intent is good, great. The minute you see somebody faking something or being inefficient or, like these kind
Yeah.
of things, I think that just gets me very, yeah, it's not fair. If you're there for a job, do it.
Yeah.
Don't fake it then. It's
Wow.
Is it? It's really
Very nice. Can't believe he's made
Oh
all
my
of this
God.
at home.
Everything. Abhi savere se. I love it.
This is so good.
I don't think you want to ask me any more questions.
No, I don't.
Please
I just
enjoy.
want to like enjoy this delicious brownie. Thank you so much. मैंने at the start of the interview I said I can't wait to try घर का खाना, but all of this is like restaurant style खाना but at home.
No.
Thank you so much for
This is-
treating me with such delicious food.
Most welcome.
My Sunday has become even more better, so thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Anytime.